Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if Zoom screen sharing is not working over on your Mac. So if it's not working, then here are 3 easy ways in order to fix that. Fix number 1 is simply opening Zoom over on your Mac and then going to the top right corner of your screen at your profile picture and then heading over to settings right here. Once you've done that, head over to share screen and make sure to copy my options. So what you're going to do is you need to make sure that Windows sideband screen sharing is set to full screen mode and make sure that skill to fit shared content to Zoom window is also enabled. If this is disabled, sometimes it will just not capture your screen at all. Share applications also needs to set to share all windows from an application, because if you have only one application window, then it will sometimes not work either. What you also want to do is make sure that when I share my screen in a meeting, you need to make sure it's set to show all sharing options, because otherwise sometimes you'll just not be able to choose the right option. And then lastly, when I share directly to a Zoom room, make sure to enable show all sharing options instead of automatically shared desktop. Basically, once you've done that, what you can do is just click this away and go to step number 2, which is opening settings over on your Mac. Once you've done that, what you can do is head over to privacy and security right here. And what you then need to do is scroll down till you find screen recording right here. Then you need to make sure to enable screen recording for Zoom. So you can just basically check that box just like this, and then you need to verify with your passcode just like that. And what you then need to do is quit and reopen Zoom in order to actually make it work. That's basically what you need to do. Then the third option, what you basically need to do is head over to settings again, just like this. Click on search, and what we're going to do is we are going to type in sharing just like this. And what we're now going to do is make sure that screen sharing is enabled. You can enable this by using your password as well. And basically once you've done that, you should be good to go and screen sharing should work over on your Mac. So let me know down in the comments below if this fixed it for you. And yeah guys, that being said, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.